In this video, I am going to tell you how to increase or decrease the elevation of multiple points at once. Actually, not multiple points, all points in a drawing at once. So you can see I have so many points inside this drawing. So let us say we need to increase the elevation of all of these points by 1 meter. So if you see here, I have this elevation 28.58, this is 27.7. So let us say we need to increase the elevation of all of these points by 1 meter. So to do that, you go to a point and click there, then go to datum. Click datum, then click on change in reference elevation. So we need to increase the elevation by 1 meter. So I type 1 and press enter. So once I press enter, you will see the elevation of these points increase by 1 meter. So you will see this, the elevation of the points increased by 1 meter. So in the same manner, you can decrease the elevation of all of these points at once. So you have to memorize that the datum will increase or decrease the elevation of the points, not only one point but all points.